Lalaro tayo ngayon, Brookhaven. Sa Roblox. Tet. Tet, tet. Langa. Ha, guys. Alam nyo to? Pen. Parang chopstick naman to, kahit pwede gumalaw sa cellphone screen. Chopstick. Tingnan nyo guys Wag na guys. Wag nyo nang tingnan. Chopstick na lang. Wag na lang pakita sa video at saka sa YouTube. Ito lang chopstick na magnet pang pwede sa kamay at panggalaw. So guys, gagamitin ko na yung kamay ko, hindi muna chopstick. So nang back na tayo sa Roblox, gagamit ko na yung chopstick. Ay! Ito talon. Yung bata ako, mahilig ako sa Brookhaven. What? Ganda naman. Ha? Paano niya nagawa to? What? Ha? Paano nagawa? Ganda naman.
This should take you to the wetlands outside Meadowville City. Just make sure you're Town Square and ask for Derwin. You sure don't know about Derwin? Derwin's always been an inveterate inebriate.
Muulan?
Completely changed, but in my experience, do you want to come with us? Oh, I might drop in.
Muulan ba? Di naman eh.
And the Grim are everywhere. Hostile, slimy, foul-smelling creatures. But good luck! Thanks. Wait, what? I said good luck! Nista!
Up. Nakaiga na ako eh. Gara. Sabi ni Dila dyan. Pag sinabi mo rin yan, kukunik ko yan.
Ba't ba sinasabi ni Dila yun?
Kinagaya ko nga. Balak nga. Ba't ganyan kasi ginawa nyo? Hayagdanan idea ko sa utak. Diba? Kung sino mas malaki sa number 10. No. Hagdanan ito.
Everything. More.
Hindi ko ito.
Probably use a boat. I can just get it free.
Ayun! Pwede na. Nakiga na nga ako. Bakit ganon? Yan.
Directions on the left.
Pwede pakita yung tao dyan.
Sige.
Ha?
Sabi mo, ito yung kuya ako naglalaro ng God of War Ragnarok.
God of War Ragnarok. Ha?
Sabi mo dyan sa...
So guys, ito yung kuya ko nang lalaro ng God of War.
Already off to a lively start. I got the boat freedom. You ready?
Di naman naka-video eh. Ah, naka-video. Kala ko hindi.
I still can't believe Mom led a full rebellion against Odin. They never talked about it. Fighting kept going well, but German felt that.
What you want to take me for? That's sort of business.
Did you ever ask?
Eyes on the water. There are resources.
You never asked Mom about what she used to do. What did you talk about in that?
Huh?
Like, just say,
So guys, mamaya na.